How are you? How's it going?
It's going good.
How have you been?
I've been great.
What's up?
Nothing much.
What's new with you?
Same old, same old.
What are you up to?
Nothing major.
How's life?
It's all good.
How's everything?
It could be worse.
How are you?
I'm okay.
How's it hanging?
Everything is good.
How goes it?
It goes very well.
What's happening?
Just the usual.
How's tricks?
Not too bad.
What's new?
Not much.
What's going on?
Not a whole lot.
What's cracking?
All good in the hood.
How are you diddling?
I'm sound as a pound.
What do you know?
Nothing too exciting.
How's things?
Things are good.